You're about to watch the Paulie Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Folks, thanks for joining me. In this video, we're gonna make this pizza.
What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmers! What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmers!
Oh yeah, she's hot. She's hot to trot. Look at this. Watch this. The launch. Boom! Looking good. Oh boy. That fire is screaming hot. Oh yeah. Don't need too much more wood in there. It's not really screaming hot. It's maybe about 450 on the pizza steel. On top it's reading about maybe 600, 650. But that's just on the top. Yeah, looking good. This will probably take about 4 or 5 minutes, maybe less. Look at it plump up. This is real time, folks. It's not edited. It's all true. For you, the best subscribers on YouTube. I don't know if the aluminum cans underneath that washing machine lid is helping at all, but the Detmers is pretty happy right now. These birds, woodpeckers, squirrels, all making all this noise. They're all excited with me. Here on the Paulie Detmers channel. A little cool outside here in Michigan. Probably about 45 degrees. It was pretty windy yesterday. Ooh, got a little color there. Sure do. I'm liking it. It's good. It's not completely done yet. I need to finish filling up that cavity underneath there with more cans. That kind of stuff. And this little lip thing, I need to seal it up after I do fill up that cavity with all them cans. Yeah, that's a sauce, pepperoni, green and black olives, chili flakes, and Italian seasoning. This sucker's getting hot. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, looking good. Yeah. No floppy pizza here. Move it over here. That side looks like it's got enough heat applied to it. We're gonna get that short side over there. What's that say? 550-ish. Not a whole lot of color on the bottom though. Must I really heat up that stone more? The thermometer on the side is not reading too well. I don't think that probe, I don't know. The probe is right there. It definitely smells like pizza in here though. What else can I do? I think she's done though. I'm gonna pull her off. Pull her off now. Oh yeah. Not bad. That's right. It's pizza.
You're watching the Paulie Detmers channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you for watching. I'm Paulie. Next time.